Here are 5 proven methods to banish toenail pain fast. Let's uncover the truth with evidence-based insights from Ubie Health. Soak your foot in warm water with a pinch of salt to ease swelling and softens the nail. For ingrown nails, slip a small piece of flexible tubing to gently lift the nail away from skin to relieve pressure. Pain relievers, like ibuprofen, can help manage discomfort. Follow package instructions to avoid pain. When trimming, cut straight across and avoid rounding corners. Choose comfortable footwear that doesn't squeeze toes to prevent further injury. If pain or swelling persists, it's time to see a doctor. Worried your toe pain won't quit? Why wait for a doctor's visit when you could find what's going on right now? For free at ubiehealth.com. The Ubie Symptom Checker is the only doctor-approved AI trusted by 12 million users. And don't forget to tap, like, and follow for more health tips you can trust.